Setting up a squeeze page. Hey there, my good friends. In our previous videos, we showed you how to create a compelling lead magnet that you can use to convince people to join your mailing lists. And we also showed you that you can build opt-in forms from where you can offer your lead magnets right from your email marketing platform. And in this video, we'll show you how easy it is. Sending traffic to your squeeze page. Okay, everyone, so now you have a killer squeeze page, an awesome lead magnet, but how do you reach people that could be interested in joining your mailing list? This isn't as easy as it sounds, because you could end up showing your squeeze page to people who will not find value in what you have to offer them, which means that they will not be encouraged to give you their email addresses. The best approach then is to use a combination of organic and paid strategies that will allow you to send the right type of traffic to your squeeze pages. Here are the ones that have worked wonders for us so far. Insert your squeeze pages into social media posts. This is perhaps the easiest and cheapest way to send traffic to your squeeze pages, as you will simply have to create keyword-rich social media posts where you can add your squeeze page for easy click-throughs. To give you an example, we are going to paste our squeeze page's URL into this Facebook post. Once it is inserted, we are going to insert a reformulation of our lead magnet's title in the form of a question to induce curiosity, and then we are going to post it. Now, this strategy is mostly effective when you have a significantly large social following, but you can also use niche keywords and tags in your post headlines to help your potential audience to find you through organic searches. Promote those social media posts to a hyper-targeted audience. Now, you can easily reach a very large chunk of your audience for cheap by promoting social media posts where you insert your squeeze pages. This strategy works really well because in the eyes of your audience, you are simply promoting free content to engage with. Facebook is a particularly good platform to promote your squeeze pages because it allows you to hyper-target your audience. You will simply have to click on the Boost Post button on your post and then to click on the Edit button corresponding to the people you choose through targeting option in the Audience section to choose who you will target with your promoted posts. Insert your squeeze pages into your site. Who is a more qualified audience than the people that are already visiting your site? Depending on your website setup, you will be able to program your squeeze page to appear to website visitors. In the case of WordPress sites such as ours, you will simply have to install a landing page plugin that can allow you to easily insert your sign-up forms, such as the Pop-Up Maker plugin and the MailChimp plugin. Create a display ad campaign. You can also use the AdWords Campaign Manager to create a display advertising campaign to promote your squeeze pages on similar niche sites and to people searching content using your niche keywords. So, with these strategies, we give a close to Section 2. But don't worry, because in Section 3, we will be teaching you how to nurture all the leads that you'll be getting from applying the strategies in this section. See you there! Hello there everyone, and welcome to Section 3 of our email marketing video training series, Advanced Email Marketing Strategies, where we are going to teach you the tactics that will allow you to nurture your acquired leads and to keep your lists growing. Contents in this section include setting up newsletters and autoresponders, setting up an email contest campaign, using segmentation to persuade hard-to-get leads, collecting high-quality contact data, crazy simple tricks to double your open rates, advanced email marketing tactics that work today. So let's start by showing you how to properly follow up with your new subscribers the right way, setting up newsletters and autoresponders. You might have heard both terms before, but you might not completely understand what they refer to. We all have been through that. That is why we are going to dedicate this video to showing you in real time what they are and how you can set them up the easy way. Setting up a newsletter. A newsletter is a periodical email series that companies send on a schedule. Newsletters can contain news, updates, or product arrival info, as well as corporate blogs. In this example case, we are going to show you how to set up a newsletter to promote new content in our own blog. And we're going to start on our MailChimp dashboard, from where we are going to click on the Create Campaign button. Now we are going to click on the Create an Email option, and then on the Automated tab. Now we are going to select the Share Blog Updates option, which will allow us to set up a newsletter to inform our subscribers of new blog posts on our site. We start by naming this newsletter campaign in the Campaign Name field. Now we are going to select a list of people whom to send this newsletter to. In our case, we're going to select the newsletter list, which is a list where we only add people that have opted in to receive updates, and where we are going to exclude people that do not wish to receive blog updates via email. Alright, so once we select our list, we're going to click on Begin to continue. Now we are going to add our website's URL in the RSS feed URL field. This will allow MailChimp to retrieve the newest blog posts from our site on autopilot. Now in the When Should We Send section, we're going to select every week at 2 p.m. In the Send Only on These Days section, we're going to uncheck all days except Tuesdays. And then we're going to check the Resize RSS feed images to fit template option. Now we are going to click on Next. On the following page, we are going to leave the entire list option enabled. And then we will click on Next. Now on the Campaign Info page, we will only edit the email subject field. And then we are going to check the Personalize the To field option. Now on the Select Template page, we are going to click on the Save Templates tab to select our default business template, and then we will click on Next. Now on the following page, we will simply have to make sure that everything is correct, and then we are going to click on Start RSS, and then on Start Campaign. Our new newsletter campaign has been launched. Setting up an autoresponder. All right, now it is time to set up an autoresponder. Autoresponders are automated emails that are triggered in response to subscriber activity, such as when a subscriber makes a purchase or visits a page on your site, or simply when someone signs up through your opt-in pages. In this video, we're going to show you how to set up an autoresponder to welcome people who join our lists. So, we start by clicking on the Create Campaign button and then on the Create an Email option. Next up, we're going to click on the Automated tab and then on the Subscriber Activity subtab. Then we are going to select the Welcome New Subscriber option. Now we are going to select a subscriber list whom to send these welcome messages to. And then we're going to click on Begin. Here, we're going to start by clicking on the Edit Workflow Settings button. In this section, we're going to check the Personalize the To field, and then we are going to enter the fname tag in the Specify Tag field to personalize the welcome messages subject line with the recipient's first name. Then we are going to click on Update Settings. Now we are going to click on Edit Trigger. Here, we're simply going to click on the Delay drop-down menu to select the Immediately option. And then we're going to click on Update Trigger. Now we are going to edit the actual welcome message by clicking on Design Email. All the necessary fields are filled correctly by default, so we will simply have to enter our welcome subject line in the email subject field. Then we are going to simply click on Next. Now we are going to click on the Save Templates tab to select our default business email template. On the editing page, we will only have to edit our template to add our welcome message in the headline space. Then we will simply have to click on Save and Continue. Then on the next page, we'll simply click on Next to finish up customization. Now on the following page, we're going to check that everything is correct. And then we're going to click on Start Workflow. And that is it. This is how you set up awesome email automations.